This short video will demonstrate a few VERICUT features, starting with a brief overview of the simulation and verification process. The VERICUT user interface is a very flexible environment for simulating virtually any CNC machine tool. You can change the look and feel to suit your needs. Icons and windows can be hidden or displayed in multiple sizes. The fastest way to get up and running is to use one of our many CAD/CAM interfaces to VERICUT. All stock, fixture, and design geometry is automatically transferred to VERICUT in the correct orientation along with your NC program, tooling, machine and control data, and other simulation parameters. Alternatively, you can easily set up a VERICUT session much like you would set up a real machine on the shop floor by dragging and dropping the necessary information. Most changes happen instantly to reduce the number of clicks required. If you make a mistake, don't worry. It's easy to undo. If you're not using a CAD/CAM interface, you can quickly import tools designed in a CAD program. If you want to pre-process the NC program before you simulate, you can. This is a quick way to perform a syntax check, identify machine collisions, and even detect gouges to the part. If desired, VERICUT can also output a warning for near-miss collisions between machine components. The NC code is processed in exactly the same way as on the CNC control, so virtual machining exactly mimics real machining. Variables, subprograms, macros, subroutines, looping, VERICUT supports it all. During simulation, an accurate in-process model is created, and this model can be inspected and analyzed. VERICUT allows you to closely examine a specified section of the NC code where a potential problem might exist. Click on a message in the logger window, and you will automatically jump to the point in the NC code that caused the message to display. It is possible to step forward and backward over the selected program lines, putting material back on the part. All errors are highlighted in red and recorded in the error log, displayed here at the bottom of the screen. The in-process model can be dynamically sectioned to assist in model inspection. X-Caliper provides measuring tools allowing features to be measured. VERICUT makes it very easy to simulate multiple setups. And here you can see that the cut stock has been automatically transferred to a different machine for second operation. All of the cutting history is stored with the cut stock. This is important because without the cut history, you can't detect errors that may have happened in previous setups. We call this smart part technology, and it's unique to VERICUT. If you ever need to make a quick change to a tool, it's simple to find the tool currently being used, even if you have many tools in your tool library. The project tree displays the tools as they are used by the session. Simply select the tool, and the tool manager will automatically open that tool. At any point in a VERICUT session, a reviewer file can be saved or automatically generated. This file can be played back by anyone and does not require a license. The VERICUT reviewer incorporates all the functionality of NC review mode in a standalone viewer. Rotate, pan and zoom just like normal VERICUT. And the cut stock can be measured using all the standard X-Caliper tools. The reviewer is an excellent tool for improving shop floor documentation or for sharing a simulation session with suppliers or even customers. Single view mode has now been selected to show Auto Diff. Auto Diff allows you to compare a design model with the in-process cut model in order to detect overcutting or undercutting. You can display either the material still to be removed or the material which has been overcut, or both. It is also possible to embed the design model inside the cut stock and have VERICUT record any violation of the design model as an error. This has been a small sampling of VERICUT's powerful simulation tools. For a more detailed demonstration, contact us today.